Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 191. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 9 here, so 1, 9. For this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. If we look at this top row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 5, 7, and 5 there. Means this is our 3, that makes this our 5 and 7. If we look at this column, we're missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so this is our 8, 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 3, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 3, and no help here, 2, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 1, 3. And the 2 and 3 here means this is our 8, 2, 3. And that 2 makes this our 8. For this row now, we're still missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. And for this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.